Hello and welcome back to Two Wheel Talk. Today we are going to show you how to clean and lube your motorcycle chain the right way.
There are a couple of reasons why you should start making a habit of cleaning your chain. Firstly, a clean and well lubricated motorcycle chain is more efficient at transferring power. And secondly, it will improve the life cycle of the chain, which will spare you some money in the future. How often should you clean and lube your chain? Good question. There are a lot of different opinions on it. I would say do it every time after you clean your motorcycle with water, and certainly after every 500k.
Just a quick one.
Over 98% of the people who watch our videos have not yet hit that subscribe button.
If we can ask a quick favor of you,
If you ever enjoyed the video,
or learned a thing or two, just hit that subscribe button.
it really helps us out a lot.
And just remember, the bigger the channel get,
The bigger the bikes get.
You will need some supplies to clean your chain efficiently. First of all, we need some chain cleaner and chain lube. We are using products from Motul, but any other brands are fine. Secondly, we highly recommend a Grunge Brush. This will make it a lot easier to get behind your chain and clean it. You can also use an old toothbrush or rag if you don't have one of those. To protect your bike from the sprinkles of the cleaning materials, we also recommend you use a piece of cardboard. If your bike does not have a center stand, a bike stand can spare you a lot of time. If you don't have one of those, ask a friend or family member to help you push the bike while spraying your chain. Put your bike on a stand to let the back wheel move freely. This allows you to move your chain backwards and forwards and make the cleaning process a lot faster and easier. You can never get too much cleaner on there, so really go at it. Try to get as much dirt from the chain as possible to loosen it up. This will make the next step of the process much more effective. Don't forget to scrub the sprockets as well. Now it's time to take the old towels and underpants. Give the chain another good rub to really get the dirt off the chain. If you are an overachiever, it's a good idea to take the bike for a ride around the block. You can also let it run for a couple of minutes on your bike stand. This will ensure the product of the next step will stick even better. When I see the chain is nicely greased up on the inside, I switch to the outside. It might look messy, but it's a good thing for the bike. First of all, never put your hands on the chain while your bike is idling. We don't have to explain what happens when your hand gets in there, so please never ever do this. Quick tip number 2 is to let the lubricant soak in for a few minutes before you take it for a ride. This way the lubricant will work at its best and optimally protect your chain.
if you have any tips on how we can do it better or more efficient, let us know in the comments. And for the rest, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.